If you ever miss a bill payment because it slipped your mind, this video is going to help you fix that in just a few minutes. Today, I'm showing you how to set payment reminders on Google Calendar so you can stay on top of credit card bills, rent, subscriptions, loans, and any other due date that matters. This is one of the easiest ways to avoid late fees and keep your finances organized, and the best part is that it only takes a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Now let's jump in. First, open Google Calendar in your browser. Once you're inside, look at the top left corner and click Create, then choose Event. This is where we'll build your payment reminder. In the event title, type something clear and easy to recognize, like credit card payment due, rent due, or internet bill reminder. Using a simple title makes it much easier to spot on your calendar later. Next, select the date when your payment is due. This is the most important part because it tells Google Calendar exactly when the reminder should be connected to. After that, choose the time you want to be reminded. If you want a full day reminder, you can set it for early in the morning. If you prefer a heads up before the actual due time, pick a time that works best for your routine. Now look for the notification options. Click Add Notification, or if you want more than one reminder, click Add Another Notification. This is really useful if you want one reminder ahead of time and another closer to the deadline. For example, you could set one notification for one day before and another for 1 hour before. That way you get an early warning and a last-minute alert. Google Calendar gives you flexibility here, so choose the timing that matches how you manage your bills. If you usually pay bills right away, a same-day reminder might be enough. But if you like planning ahead, setting reminders earlier can help you avoid last-minute stress. The goal is to make the reminder work for your schedule, not the other way around. If this payment happens every month, you'll want to make it repeat automatically. To do that, click Does Not Repeat, then choose Custom. From there, set the frequency based on your bill. For example, you can make it repeat monthly for a credit card payment or weekly for something that comes up more often. This is a huge time saver because you won't need to create a brand new reminder every single cycle. Once everything looks good, double check the title, date, time, and notification settings. Make sure the reminder is set exactly how you want it, especially if this is for an important bill. Then click Save. Your payment reminder will now appear on Google Calendar and you'll get notified at the time you selected. This is a simple habit, but it can make a big difference in staying organized and avoiding missed payments. Whether you're managing personal bills or keeping track of business expenses, Google Calendar is a really effective tool for setting reminders that actually get noticed. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. And if you want, you can also set up multiple payment reminders for different bills so your whole month stays organized at a glance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.